Good morning, yogis. Welcome back to Roop's Diary. Always wake up with a smile, knowing that today you are going to be a step closer to your dreams. Let's start the session. Sit in any comfortable position, hands by the side, and close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Take a deep inhale and an exhale. Open your eyes. Now let's do one more inhale and exhale in a little different way. Inhale, head little up, and exhale, chin to the chest. Your spine should be erect. Again, inhale, exhale, chin to the chest. One more time, heads up with inhale. With exhalation, heads down. Next, hand by the side, right arms up, and let's press to one side. Go down, bend yourself, feel the stress. Stay there, stay there. Inhale and come up. Hands by the side. Now, right hand on the left knee, left hand at the back. With inhalation, heads up, exhalation, look back. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Stay there. With inhalation, hands up, put the hands by the side. Now change the side. Left arm up with inhalation, exhalation, bend, support with your right hand. Stay there. Feel the stress. Stay there. A nice stretch. Inhale, come up, and hand by the side. Now, left hand on the right knee, right hand at the back. Inhale, little up your head. With exhalation, look back. Inhale and exhale. With inhalation, come to the normal position. Now let's come to the next position. What we will do, let's come to cat and camel. A very good exercise for the lower back. Come to all fours With inhalation, look up. With exhalation, arch downward. Look down. With inhalation, head up, look up. Arch your back inward. With exhalation, look down. One more round. Inhale, look up, and exhale. Now, let's come to child's pose. Just relax for a while. Just feel the stress. It's an ultimate position for relaxation. Slowly take your hands forward and come up. One more exercise. This is called Setu Bandha Asana. Lie down on your back, legs folded, hands by the side. With inhalation, take your hip up. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Now when you go up, hold it for 5 counts. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down. Spread your leg. Spread your arms. Just lie down and relax for a while. Feel the changes before and after the session. Normal inhale and exhale. Your body, your responsibility to take care of it. Take care of your health. In return, it'll keep you happy. Let's come up. Keep your eyes closed. With a gentle smile on your face. Take a deep inhale and exhale. And exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Let's chant one time Omkara. And then we will rub our palm and we will start our day. Om. You can open your eyes. Thank you. I wish you good health.